I will never forget the day Brandy called me about 2 dogs living under an abandoned building in rural Colorado. Faith and Hope, which we called them, along with their tiny, shivering puppies, began a new life. Who knows what had happened, and who knows how long they were under this abandoned building, completely exposed to the elements and forgotten by the world. They were taken into positive pathways care before a big snowstorm dropped 4 feet of snow across rural Colorado. It was a race against time, and we won. Look at these babies. Watching these babies slowly learn to trust, feel safe, and to rest was humbling and beautiful, an experience of joy. And now we get to see both dogs adopted into homes filled with love, including Miss Faith and Miss Hope in their forever families. It's a reminder daily of why we do this.
Yes, I think so. What's on a monster biscuit?
Bacon, sausage, 2 eggs, American cheese, and Swiss cheese.
That sounds awesome. I'll take one of those, please.
Do I make that? Sorry, a large combo?
No, I think I'll just do that, and then actually just the sandwich is good. Thank you.
One monster sandwich, $5.87. If you're using the app, go ahead and have it ready to go to scan.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Good job, girls. We didn't bark at all, didn't we? Are we drive-through approved?
This is more than rescue. It's restoration. It's redemption. It's love in motion. To everyone who has supported our mission at Positive Pathways, thank you. You are part of every life saved. And to anyone wondering if the work is worth it, the answer is yes, 1,000 times. Yes. Follow our love stories, support our work, and join us because every life matters.